Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to adjust font size on Poco C71. Alright guys, for those of you who feel that your font size on your cell phone feels so small or too big, don't need to be worried guys, because you can adjust it easily. And how to adjust your font size is very easy. And without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial on how to adjust your font size. Okay guys, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then after that now you can scroll down, and here now you can go to display, and then after that now you can scroll down again and go to display size and text, and here now you can adjust, and I will maximize my font size, and the result would be like this. Alright guys, here's the tutorial on how to adjust font size on Poco C71, and thank you so much for watching.